Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this gorgeous Christmas ribbon wreath. So for this wreath guys, here I have some Christmas ribbons in different colors. I have some pipe cleaners that I got at the dollar store, and I have a 14-inch wreath ring that I got at the Dollar Tree. So these ribbons I got on Amazon, and there were 6 in the pack for $16.99 Canadian. I chose these 4 because I like the different textures and the prints and colors, and I thought they complemented each other really well. And I don't know about you guys, but I really love burlap, so I had to get some burlap ribbon added in my wreath. If you wanted to add more colors, you can definitely go ahead and do that. 5 ribbons also work really well for this wreath. I'm going to start by layering my 4 ribbons, and then I'm going to attach them to the wreath ring with a zip tie. So you can go ahead and use the second or the third ring. I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the third ring. The next step is to make loops from the ribbon and attach them to the wreath ring. And I don't know if you noticed guys, but I had to abort mission with the pipe cleaners because the ribbons were too thick. So I had to use zip ties. You can also use floral wire. And if you're using thinner or lighter ribbons or mesh, you can definitely go ahead and use your pipe cleaners. I'm going to continue making my loops and attaching them until the wreath ring is full. And I must say that this method is one of the easiest ways to make a wreath. You also don't need to cut your ribbons for this wreath. You just need to go ahead and use the full length of the ribbons that you have. And guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so for more great holiday DIYs. Now I'm attaching the last bit, and this is how it should be looking. And don't worry if all your loops aren't perfect, your wreath will still turn out really great. Now that all my ribbon has been added, I'm going to go ahead and just cut my zip ties. It's now time to separate our ribbons. So we're going to pull our ribbons apart and fluff them. This is going to make our wreath look full and even. I'm going to be using these 2 ribbons to make a bow to add to the wreath. And these ribbons I got at the Dollar Tree, and they're also very beautiful. And in adding accents to your wreath, you can add like ornaments or pine cones, but I'm just going to be adding a bow to the wreath. And I'm just showing you quickly how I made my bow. To make the bow is also really simple. You will overlap your ribbon and gather it in the middle and tie it with a pipe cleaner. And then I also used a little piece of the ribbon in the middle and attached that with some hot glue. The bow is ready, and I really liked how it turned out, so it's time to attach it to my wreath. And I'm going to use the leftover bits of the pipe cleaner to push through and tie it to the wreath ring at the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut my ribbons to the length that I want them to be, and I'm also going to dovetail the ends of the ribbon. And that is the last step. You want to make one final fluff, make sure everything is perfect. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful Christmas ribbon wreath. It's super easy to make, and it's going to be perfect for your front door or even to hang above your fireplace. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned throughout this month for more holiday DIYs. Catch you in the next video.